The last thing that I want to do with our application is a very quick change to some of the source code inside of it. I then want to redeploy the application and just make sure that we can get changes to appear on the screen. So inside my client directory, I'll find the source folder and then the app.js file. Inside of here, we've got the H1 title of Welcome to React. Let's just change that text in there to something like fib calculator. I'll then save the file. We'll then flip back over to our terminal. I'll do a git status and verify that the change is there. Yep, it is. We'll do an add, a commit, and then of course a push origin master. And that'll push those changes up to GitHub. Now, the entire flow of making changes on a branch and then merging a pull request and then only deploying those changes can absolutely still be used with this multi-container deployment. In other words, that entire kind of development workflow that we went through with that single container deployment, totally applicable here as well. But I think that we've seen enough examples of that. So we're just kind of short-circuiting the process more or less and doing a deployment directly to master, where it will then be built and deployed off to Elastic Beanstalk. So let's take another quick pause. I'll let the deployment go through, and then we'll catch up in the next section and just make sure that all those changes, or I guess that one change that we made, shows up on the title of our application. So quick pause, and I'll see you in just a second.